Hello everyone, I'm Prasidhi and this is Daniel. Today we're going to make a very simple chicken soup. So let's look at the ingredients now.
2 stem spring onion, half cup green peas, half cup celery, 1 medium onion, half cup carrot, 1 egg, 2 cloves of garlic, mine is big, if you're using small use 3 or 4, 1 chicken stock cube, 2.5 tablespoon corn flour, 500 grams chicken, breast piece, salt, pepper, olive oil and water.
So for the first step, I'm putting the chicken cube into 800 ml of hot water, like warm water, so that it will dissolve while we cook the rest of the dishes. You can completely omit this step if you are using chicken pieces that include bones. So it will, the stock can be made from the chicken bones. So I'm not having it at the moment, so I'm just using this. It's completely fine. And also about the dish ingredients, like instead of these ingredients, you can also use broccoli, sweet corn, baby corn, or carrots, tomatoes, potatoes, any veggies that you would like in your soup. So just, change it according to your pantry. So place change, we are doing the cooking now. So the first step, I am pouring about 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the pan. And I'm putting the whole chicken breast. I'm not cutting it.
Browning of the chicken induces more flavor into the soup. So that's why we're doing this step. As you can see now, the chicken has gained some color. So this is the stage where we add our veggies. I'm not adding spring onion and green peas at this stage because it has very less cook time. So we have to cook it for almost 3 minutes. The veggies have gained some color. Now I'm adding salt so that the veggies will render liquid to our soup. We can add little extra salt as the whole soup gets it from here. We also need to be careful because the chicken stock also contains salt. I'm adding 2 garlics also into this, and I'm pouring in my chicken stock. I'm pouring another 700 ml water so that the chicken is more covered in it. And now we have to close and cook for 20 minutes. I have been cooking for about 20-ish minutes in medium-low flame, and now it's almost done. So in this stage, I am putting in the green peas and spring onion because it takes very less cook time. We need to close cook it for another 10 minutes. So I have cooked it for another 10 minutes and now the chicken is cooked through. I'm taking it out so that I can shred it. We can see that the soup is boiling. Now we add our shredded chicken back into the soup. And now I'm pouring in the paste that I made with the corn flour. This will give our soup a thicker consistency. We need to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. I have slightly beaten an egg and I am pouring it into the soup. Keep stirring. This will give a string consistency to the egg. And yeah, that's it. Our soup is ready. And so that's our chicken soup. I'm pouring it into a serving bowl.
Now let's taste it. It's a really comforting soup. Please try it at home. If you like my recipe, please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the ring bell to get a notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.